Oh hey, Van World must agree again. It's day 5 of trying to cut my grass, and once again I'm getting nowhere. But like I said before, that is bloody shit. But it does bring me on to something else, which I keep asking myself, if it keeps doing the same thing over and over again and keep getting the same results, why do you keep going? Which brings me on to my next topic. I'm bloody freezing.
So I wanted to talk about MINDSEED. Now, why am I standing like this? Is because my setup is getting worse and worse as the days go by. Honestly, my camera angles just get worse and worse. I don't know what to do anymore. But anyway, I'm out of breath because I was wet and I had to change, and I gotta be quick. I want to talk about the fake paranormal side of things for a change, because, you know, I'm not talking about the real paranormal in this one, but in this case, I'm talking about MINDSEED. As you know, I've made debunking videos of MINDSEED over the years. I haven't for a while, but I made them quite a few times, like back in 2020, 2021, 2022. Just showing the kind of shenanigans they would get up to. It was Tanner and Casey. Now, I've always said they seem like decent folk, but we say that about everyone, don't we? Except for that one person. We don't say about that one person. So I'm standing weird now. I don't know what to do with myself. But yeah, MINDSEED now lately, for the last, say, 3 or 4 months, has suddenly gone into top five content, we'll call it. Paranormal, UFO. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. You know, there is a bit of a decline in top 5 channels, I must admit, probably because we've been watching them for so long and they keep repeating the same clips over and over and over. And, you know, if it wasn't for Bingo Bollocks, my interest in those would be nosediving. Except for the Bingo Bollocks last night, that didn't go as planned. It's something I've noticed for a while now from other channels as well, not just MINDSEED, but other channels like Oh My Gosh, for example. He's like, my paranormal videos ain't doing so great, dude. I need to go do something else. He's still doing the same thing. Really Haunted. Remember Really Haunted, who said he was going to quit? Then he made 2 top 5 videos. They didn't do nowhere near as well as his Vlad the Impaler. And now he's deleted those videos. He's back to doing what he does. Crap. But yeah, MINDSEED. I've always said, right, regardless of what you think of MINDSEED, their production values have always been bloody top tier. And Paranormies, who I spoke about a couple of weeks back, again, I've made videos on them over the years. We would always call them MINDSEED 2.0. Because that's where they came across there. They did the sideways interview. Not looking at the interview, I was probably standing right there doing the camera. But talking about all the serious things I've done in my life and all the really naughty ghosts that haunt me at night. And they would do that kind of interview. And, you know, MINDSEED, as far as I can tell, were probably the people who kicked that off. I don't know if they originated that, but they were probably the ones who made it popular on paranormal YouTube we know today. I don't know why I'm bouncing. I don't know what I'm doing. And if you think this t-shirt is a tiny bit tight, it is. It's laundry day, okay? Just leave me alone. But yeah, MINDSEED now, the last couple of months, they've been making top 5 paranormal, top 5 UFOs. Nothing wrong with UFO stuff. I really wish I could make more UFO content, because I don't want to just stick to ghost stuff. Because, you know, a lot of that's getting a bit stale, as we know. We talked about it briefly, or we talked about it previously, sorry, on my Weird and Wonderful World of Mr. Great podcast, which I do with Parple. Bit of a plug there. But we talked about the paranormal decline on YouTube now we're talking about. A couple of weeks back. If you want to go check that out, it's on Spotify and my channel somewhere. It was like a couple of weeks ago. It's called the Paranormal Podcast or something. I can't remember now. But go watch it. It was really good. We were in it, me and Parple. But anyway, speaking of Parple, in case you didn't see it a couple of weeks back, that's Parple sunbathing in the Maldives. You'll probably get me back for that again. But anyway, I'm wondering, I'm not talking, like I said, I'm not talking about the real paranormal teams out there now. Genuinely go out to try and find if there's something out there. You know, I'll always shout those people out. Even though I'm a skeptic, you know, and I question everything when it comes to all that kind of stuff. I still, you know, I'm still fully behind the real channels who go out there day in, day out in the hopes that they might find something. They genuinely don't fake nothing. They don't pull the wool over people's eyes. They are out there. But I'm talking about, you know, the paranormal YouTube. We pretty much know and sort of love. it's a love-hate relationship, really, especially coming from like a debunker like myself. Even though I haven't made a debunking video for a while, I plan on then coming back. Breakdown analysis is coming back as well. Don't worry about it. The popularity of fake paranormal, like I said, the top 5 channels who keep showing the same clips over and over again, the teams they put up on those top 5 channels, look at this, could it be real or could it be fake? You decide, being on the bloody fence with that, but that's how they roll. And with MINDSEED now, just doing top 5. What happened to Tanner? I don't know what happened to him. I don't keep up on him, so I don't know. What happened to his partners, the people he used to go around with? Does he still make videos with them, or does he just maybe thought the paranormal has gone a bit stale now?
I'm gonna go do some UFOs, bro. It's the only way forward. I can't do the ghosts anymore. It's the UFOs, the UAPs, whatever you call them.
But yeah, are they seeing a paranormal decline on YouTube, or are they just bored of it? Yeah, because you can get bored of something if you watch it or get yourself involved with it for a number of years. You get bored of it. Trust me on that one. You will bloody get bored of it. It happens to all of us. And to be honest with you, Casey now, he's, like I said, it's just him on the channel, and he's been doing top 5s. And if you want to go for view-wise, they do very well, to be honest with you. I guess one, he's almost on like 1 million views on one. I can't remember where it was, usual bollocks. But here's my question I posed to you lot again. Just in case you didn't see the podcast I did a couple of weeks ago. Do you think the paranormal on YouTube now, I'm not talking about the real channels. I'm not talking about them. Do you think it's a case of people getting wiser now to these paranormal shenanigans, we'll call it, or bullshit, I like to call it? Do you think people are getting more wise to them now because of the debunking channels coming up on the rise, and which have been around for a couple of years? Or are people just sick of seeing the same clickbait title, along with the same shadow dudes, the same door opening? I don't know why doors opening are creepy. I never understood that myself. TikTok was on the rise for the last couple of years. I think that made a lot of paranormal stuff cringe as hell. I think so. My stance on TikTok. Is it real? Is it science? TikTok, it's a bollocks. That's my stance on TikTok. It always has been. And TikTok might actually get banned. I don't agree with that part, even though I don't like it. I don't agree with that part, but it is what it is. But TikTok has been a big purveyor of fake shit. It has. It started on YouTube, then TikTok came along because of at the time I think it was 3 minutes. I don't know how long it is now. And everyone and their daughters and sons made the same oversaturated copy and paste fake paranormal stuff. Showed it on TikTok, uploaded to YouTube, and obviously maybe then the bigger channels like MINDSEED and oh my gosh, the ones who do the fake stuff. Maybe they do it for entertainment purposes, who knows, but they need to state that. Maybe now they are seeing that maybe we've pushed it too far. Maybe that clickbait title's where I almost died, or I need to get out, I can't do this anymore. Maybe those titles, maybe they're catching on now. The same with Twin Paranormal. Maybe they're thinking, you seem to be dying in almost every video. Maybe you should change your profession. Maybe you shouldn't be a YouTube paranormal investigator, because you keep getting scratched and you keep getting attacked. But yeah, I'm finding it weird, and like I said, MINDSEED's the biggest channel, probably. Is it the biggest? I don't know. Biggest solo paranormal channel? I don't know. I mean, I'm calling it paranormal entertainment, I'll call it. It's probably the biggest paranormal entertainment channel out there, I think, as far as popularity, I suppose. But maybe they're seeing the shift in the wind. I can't feel the wind because I got no hair. But maybe they are seeing the shift now coming on YouTube, which we've all seen the last, say, year, maybe longer. Paranormal entertainment, maybe it's not what we should be doing. I don't know. It's interesting. Like, for example, Paranormies, they currently, I think they finished filming now. They Ghosts Off Grid. No doubt, copy and paste Ghost Adventures TV show, which I'm sure will be coming out at the end of this year, because they've gone silent on their channel and left their fans in the dark. And someone in the comments actually said something nasty might have happened to one of them. I asked them, could you let me know where you found this out, but they haven't got back to me. And if that's the case, I truly hope they're okay. I genuinely hope they're okay. But there's also other people in the comments who are saying, I spoke to one of them a couple of weeks back at like a convention or something, and they're doing fine. So I don't know. We'll have to see. It is 2024 now, in June. Will we see the Paranormal Entertainment channels? Again, not the real channels, but will we see the fake Paranormal Entertainment? That's not fake, but the Paranormal Entertainment. I'm contradicting myself. Will we see those channels still around in a year's time? Will they be doing paranormal in a year's time? Will they be doing UFO stuff, or will they be moving on? Only time can tell. But I want you to let me know down in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious to what you think of the paranormal in general on YouTube. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully I'm sitting down next time. And, hopefully I got a t-shirt which fits. Leave a like if you like this video. Leave something new to my channel. I do this quite often. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. I don't know what I'm doing.